Using calculator to check your answers for simultaneous equations.
Press menu. Press equation number 5. Press 1 simultaneous equation. Press 2 unknown. And then type in 4a 3b equals to 12. So in this case, your a is your x and your b is your y. So 3a 1b equals to 4. And then you have to answer x is 0, meaning to say a is 0, y is 4, meaning to say b is 4. So for primary school students, you can also use this to check if, let's say the question is like this: 4 apples plus 3 bananas equals to 12 of them. 3 apples plus 1 banana give you 4 of them altogether. And your calculator can also tell you there are actually 0 apples and 4 bananas.